פיברומיאלגיה. והיא לא...
ומשם התחיל המסע שלי לריפוי. אימצתי לעצמי את כל האלמנטים האלה של הביו-האקינג, מה שהביא אותי למה שאני היום, בלי שום מחלה, בלי עייפות כרונית, מתפקדת, עם תינוק בדרך, מטפלת היום בקליניקה שלי בדיוק בשיטה הזאת, מרצה ומנחת סדנאות בנושא. אני יכולה לספר לכם שדרך המסע האישי שלי והסיפור של יאיר, זה הביא אותי למקום עם עוצמה ושליחות, שליחות להפיץ את הידע הזה הלאה ולהעביר אותו לכמה שיותר אנשים, כי זה חשוב, זה נמצא שם, קרוב, זול, בחינם, וקוראים לזה הטבע. וצריך פשוט לאמץ את זה לטובתנו.
A connection that I was pursuing for quite a long time, simply because when I'm talking about hydrogen and water and biology of it, it's practically in the Torah. Simply looking at all the doctors in the family, I'm here, I was the 10th, this is my father, and my brother was the others. And we are actually going to translate the Torah scientifically simply because this element here, which is the hydrogen and proton, connects the Torah with science very closely. Because when scientists look for deuterium is twice as heavy as hydrogen, and actually has close to twice the size of hydrogen, but it wants to participate in biological reactions and also in chemical reactions much the same way as hydrogen or protons would. And protons produce energy for us, and this is what I'm going to cover in a little bit more details. Protons produce energy from us, for our mitochondria. And deuterium interferes with the process very heavily, meaning that our cells, our mitochondria, have to deplete deuterium one way or another. And process and research here in the United States, and I would like to have Israel, Hungary, and many other countries to be aware of this and to be part of it. Deuterium is coming from food, and deuterium is coming from water. Food and water practically is the same, you know, from the sense that we consume them. And our body produces water. Practically that's what we are. What Shai was showing in a previous slide, photosynthesis is practically breaking water and attaching the hydrogen or the proton to carbon dioxide to make organic mitochondrial inner membrane, and one of them, which we call ATP synthase, is actually spinning. And that's why, this is why we call it a nanomotor. You can see the hydrogens or the protons collected on one side of the inner mitochondrial membrane, and you can see this nanomotor kind of consuming these protons. And by the time one proton gets around this nanomotor, we produce ATP or energy in the protein. And this ATP or energy, phosphate-based energy, is what actually drives our from enzymatic function, the cancer goes away.